Skipping a meal is one thing, but what happens when you don't eat for 24 hours or longer? Your body flips a powerful internal switch called autophagy, where it literally starts cleaning out damaged cells and recycling the parts. This isn't just a trend, it's a process linked to healthier aging and disease prevention. So how long do you actually need to fast to unlock these benefits? And is it safe for you? Let's break down what's really going on inside your body. Extending your fasting window helps trigger autophagy, the body's natural cellular cleanup process. When you go without food for a longer period, your body eventually runs low on readily available energy and shifts into a maintenance mode, where it starts recycling old or damaged cell components. Think of it like a deep cleaning cycle for your cells, where broken proteins and worn-out parts are broken down and reused. This process is linked to healthier aging because it reduces cellular clutter that can contribute to disease over time. In everyday life, this might look like gradually increasing your overnight fast from 12 hours to 14 or even 16 hours, depending on what feels sustainable. For example, finishing dinner at 7 p.m. and not eating again until 9 or 11 a.m. the next day. It is important to ease into this instead of jumping straight into long fasts, because your body needs time to adapt. Hydration is key during fasting periods, and black coffee or plain tea can help some people manage hunger. Over time, consistent fasting windows can help your body become more efficient at switching into this repair mode, which is where the potential longevity benefits begin to show. Longer fasting periods may improve the removal of damaged proteins linked to aging and disease. Inside your cells, proteins are constantly being built and broken down, but not all of them function properly forever. Over time, damaged or misfolded proteins can accumulate, and this buildup is associated with conditions like Alzheimer's and other age-related diseases. Extended fasting encourages your body to identify and break down these faulty proteins through autophagy, essentially reducing the burden on your cells. Imagine clearing out a cluttered storage room so everything works more efficiently again. Practically speaking, incorporating occasional longer fasting windows, such as 16 to 18 hours, can support this process without needing extreme measures. It is not about starving yourself, but about giving your body a break from constant digestion so it can focus on repair. Pairing fasting with nutrient-dense meals when you do eat ensures your body has the building blocks it needs afterward. Consistency matters more than intensity, so even a few days a week of extended fasting can contribute to better long-term cellular health. Fasting-induced autophagy supports mitochondrial health and energy efficiency. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of your cells, and their condition plays a huge role in how energetic you feel and how well your body ages. When mitochondria become damaged, they produce less energy and more harmful byproducts. Extended fasting helps your body identify and remove these dysfunctional mitochondria through a specialized form of autophagy called mitophagy. This allows healthier mitochondria to take their place, improving overall energy production. In real life, this can translate into feeling more stable energy throughout the day rather than experiencing constant spikes and crashes. To support this, you might combine extended fasting windows with light physical activity like walking, which further encourages mitochondrial turnover. It is also important not to overdo intense exercise while fasting if you are new to it, since your body is still adapting. Over time, better mitochondrial function is linked to improved metabolic health and may contribute to a longer health span, meaning more years of feeling capable and energized. Extended fasting can reduce inflammation by clearing out dysfunctional cellular components. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many age-related conditions, from heart disease to joint problems. One reason inflammation persists is because damaged cells and cellular debris accumulate and trigger ongoing immune responses. Autophagy, activated during longer fasting windows, helps clear out this debris, effectively reducing one of the root causes of inflammation. Think of it as removing irritants before they can keep setting off alarms in your body. In practical terms, people who adopt regular fasting routines often report improvements in markers of inflammation over time, especially when combined with a balanced diet rich in whole foods. You do not need extreme fasting protocols to see benefits. Even moderate extensions of your fasting window can make a difference when done consistently. It is also helpful to pay attention to how your body responds, because excessive fasting can create stress rather than reduce it. The goal is to create a rhythm that supports repair without pushing your system too far. Consistent fasting windows may enhance longevity by promoting regular cellular renewal. The key idea behind longevity is not just living longer, but maintaining healthier cells for as long as possible. By regularly activating autophagy through extended fasting, your body gets repeated opportunities to repair and renew itself at the cellular level. This ongoing maintenance can slow down the gradual decline that comes with aging. In everyday practice, this does not require perfection or extreme discipline. A consistent pattern, like a 14 to 16-hour fasting window most days, can be enough to keep the process active over time. It is helpful to align your eating schedule with your natural routine so it feels sustainable rather than restrictive. For example, skipping late-night snacks and allowing your body to rest overnight can make a big difference. Pair this with good sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular movement to amplify the benefits. Over months and years, these small, consistent habits can add up to meaningful improvements in how your body ages and functions.